Hello YouTubers, GP3 the Creator back today, and nothing special. So, got my hole puncher, so I'm making a plow unit, try to make part of it today. Also, don't say I have herpes on my lip, it's cold sore too, so I don't know how the fuck you're gonna, how I got a cold sore, except, big deal or whatever, except, yeah. And I bashed my thumb was the hammer when I was trying to do it as a drill bit, except drill bits are not good, they were good idea for a hole puncher, so yeah. So we're really gonna, I don't know what to say. What else here? Yeah. Come on, you break this. Has a good angle. Cool. So, right about there. Set this on the table, actually. If I had so much crap on the table, I could just. Got him still. Yeah, decent enough for me. Then okay, we got it started. Now I'm gonna clamp. Where's my thing at? Okay, now I gotta figure out where that guy set it where. Oh, brother is stupid when he puts gas stuff. He just throws everything around. Oh, right here. And clamp it down back here. I don't even know. I'll pull this tiny crap out of it. Damn it. I need to oil this and sand the part down. Nope. So another reason we're not making videos lately, guys, because my aunt got part of her leg kind of, cut by here, somewhere down here. And it was affection and, kind of crazy stuff. So, I know it's none of your guys' business. I'm trying to tell you why I have a reason not to make videos in a while. Not reasons, why I haven't done, so yeah. Got the big hole started. Now change it to a small drill bit. Then work your way up. Gone slow. Screw it's put on high so I can just work out. Now I was gonna make that squeaky noise, so BB bastard. Set that back where it belongs, grab the oily towel I can, and kind of wipe some of this off. I haven't worked on the shed lately, you know. But I'm just kind of trying to organize crap and trying to figure out space. Except this winter, though, John Deere's going over here in the corner to be parked for the winter. All this, the snow shovel is going back out front. All that crap is going to probably go behind the wood right here. Set it down neatly. And then a Craftsman, I'm getting a snow plow for that so I can be snow blowing down. So, good idea. What the hell just dropped? Okay, set that down. Three sizes up. Oh, that foul. Whatever. I hate the circle drill bits. I need this one to grab just getting the metal down. Come on, you. Come on, you. Get out. I gotta grab that pen real quick, guys. Hope I have a drill bit big enough. Ah, it's getting there. That's good, 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 good. Give me a drill bit. You know, I'm working kind of slowly with this. I hate these kind of drill bits. They just slip and fly. Okay, that's right. At this point, I gotta work size to size up. Okay, where's that clamp thing at? I need that again. Or not a clamp, whatever the hell they call it anymore. Really? I I don't see it at all. It's right here. Where the hell is one? Right there. Okay. This is getting pinched down. Shut up a little bit. Holy crap, I forgot about that. That's not it shouldn't be going anywhere. Come on, damn it. Batteries on 1 bar. Mother chicker is goddamn hot like always is. On you. Come on! Don't mount the plastic. Okay. Fitting your fit? Nah, 2 sizes bigger. You're good. Ah, my hand. Oh, this is the biggest drill bit. I have the biggest drill bit. Hope it fits. Gotta drill that out a little bit. Biggest drill bit I have, pretty sad. Good. So, by the way, I'm not using safety protecting glass. I know I'm gonna get yelled at by people for that. You know, whatever, big deal. Batteries drained, Dad. Put that in my back pocket. Oh, pink car. It's gonna be done soon. Takes time, bro. It takes time. Oh, I forgot the clamp. Where's the pin at? Oh. You guys want to hear the llama run? Runs like crap right now. Goddamn. It's not getting a good connection. Only reason it's... There's 2 things wrong with it right now. Not a lot of gas. And here where the spark is. On here for the... Yeah. Where the spark plug thing goes right here. That's all rusted from sitting for many years. So now it's like... I hope I have the key on me. Do I? Yep, my pocket. Except... I'll say something cool. Craftsman to craftsman. I love my Craftsman, don't get me wrong, I love it to death. So, slide the key in, doesn't matter what way it goes. Pull choke out, let it sit for a minute. Come on, you. Old Johnny Junker. Yeah, so where the hell is it? My charger. I cleaned my bedroom up, so and I made my bed today, you know. I should actually make it right now. I don't have no sheets. I was laying this way. I always lay up there, so you know, big deal. Make the bed a little bit. Couldn't hardly with one hand, so you know, but it's a lot of responsibilities. Put this pole here. Headphones they show in the trash. You serious? Come on, get to bed. Whatever, can't do it with one hand. I'll do it in a second. So yeah. So I gotta go through all that stuff. You know, hi Mab. Then. I don't know about tomorrow. Should I make a video tomorrow? I don't know. I gotta go mow today, 2 at 6, so it's like play game. Well, it won't go in. No, it's going in. Hi, Blue. Say hi to the camera. Go roof, 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 roof. Hi, you. Boy, licking that kitch, huh? Yeah, you do, huh? Yeah, so I'm gonna go outside and look real quick. I gotta go park the armor too. Take care of my crap I have. So brothers these days, man. Still crap like they own something. So. Goddamn transmission. Where the hell the belt is? Fuck me. I can't work on this. Where's the belt at? Start it up. It's just. What's up? That's in. Could be trying. Transmission. I don't know why it's not going here. I might decide these off the tires. I'll do that in our project. I'm gonna go check see. Is this thing moving back? No. The tire's flat, so it's not helping too. So whatever. What time is it now? Ah, it's phone. Tell me. Almost 5 o'clock. So no. Another hour. I think be out. So have a nice day, guys. Peace out. Oh crap, I think I have the keys. So, oh, I forgot crap. So yeah, have a nice day, guys, and have a nice night or the hell when you're watching this. And everything's kind of hidden good. Yeah, so whoa. Where's that YouTube book crap? Oh. One view. Yeah. Have a nice day, guys. GP3 the creator. Please like, subscribe, and watch my videos if you do. And tell friends and all that. Tell family. I don't care anymore, really. You do or not. So yeah. One thing I like to have is 20 subscribers. About it. That yeah. So. Have a nice day, guys. Bye. Peace. Tanker trucks. See ya.